y'all. Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69, where you can go to sunmoonproducts.com and get some of our homemade products. Yes, today, spaghetti squash. They were giving these away for 69 cents. I said, let me try them, right? So what I did was, look at this delicious meal. Real quick and easy too, right? So look, split it in half, okay? Drench some olive oil and salt and pepper and turn it upside down and let it bake at 400 for about 30 minutes, okay? Then you take your fork and you just pull all the spaghetti up. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and they so delicious and yummy. Now what I also did was I sauteed some onions and green peppers and some garlic. I didn't have any tomato sauce, so I did have some salsa in the refrigerator. So I took like a fourth a cup of it and sauteed it over with the green peppers and the onions. I had some thick cheese, and you know we like spicy, and some habanero cheese, so one slice. You notice even need a little meat. So I sliced up some turkey pepperoni. I'm going to try to slick him. I'm going to try and let him think that this is beef pepperoni. And this is what you get. You put it back in the oven until the cheese melt over. Oh, I can't wait to dive in on it with some cold mug St. Polly girl. So, hey, play with your recipes. And you know, this meal goes good with some Love That 69 wine, y'all. Have fun. Enjoy.